There we go. Okay. We're a little bit closer, everybody. Oh, I do need my hat. We haven't really hat. That's what they're gonna do. Is it easy to do? Like, oh no, don't do that. Oop. Ready? Around a little bit.
That look cool.
Yep. It looks super great.
I can drink coffee.
No kidding, right? Nice. I support it. Thanks, everybody. The hats are thanks to Alyssa. We each made our own, but Alyssa sent me the pattern. Oh, honey, I did as well. This is definitely found materials. Great. I'm super into it. I will wait maybe like 10:05, I guess. I don't know. A little bit. I would just like to say thanks before we start to Alyssa. She made all of the graphics for today's ceremony. She's amazing. Oh, darn it! We did something. Yeah, this is something. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Woo! Pomp and circumstance, everybody. Pomp and circumstance. How do I get out of here? Do this. And go to the next one. Okay, we're super professional here, everybody. Hold on to your hats, homemade or not. We got it down. We just want to welcome all of you for coming. It's kind of silly and it's kind of fun, but it's thanks for everybody to come. We have everyone from friends to colleagues to all these things. I was looking up for some additional songs that I could play during this, and they were all like, "So long, I'll miss you. Oh, it'll be so long till I see you again," or like, "Let's burn this place down." However, I will see all of you on Monday, as will Alyssa. So they didn't really fit. Anyway, so just thanks all of you for being here. You guys have been super supportive and wonderful, and we appreciate it. And like I said in the first slide, this is recorded, hopefully, because Alyssa's parents were not able to join us, so we do have a recording of it. Yay! I just want to say thanks from me and Alyssa to several people. Number one, our professors, some of them, not all. Our families, all of them. For so many friends, our classmates, some of whom are joining us today, which we really appreciate, and each other. We've both been helping each other through this whole thing. We are the first official graduates of the Master of Professional Studies program. Woo! So we started with Mitra and we ended with Mitra, who will be taking a sabbatical next year. So we just have really appreciated each other and really appreciated Mitra and all of this. And also the entire Twin Ports community, because especially for Alyssa, her entire project focused on Duluth and Superior. So we just really appreciate the whole community for all of their support. And as a little aside, Alyssa's project is online. She has a website. Alyssa, nod. Yes. And right, okay, and it's all about the Husky refinery fire, and she did a lot of work around that. So if you want to check it out, please do so. It will be in the invite at some point, or maybe it is now. I don't know. Or you can just contact her directly. So that's all I have to say. Mitra, take it away.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Woo! Yay! Thanks everyone for coming. We appreciate it so much. Oh, hold on, I got a closing slide. Closing slide. Woo-hoo! Yes, and yes, a special thanks to the Mats because we've been a thing for a couple years. So yeah, thanks everybody. Thanks for Peter Angelos for coming. We haven't seen you and we miss you forever. So we'll touch base later. Everybody, go home, have a drink. Stay home, have a drink. All the things. Bye everybody. Woo! Bye everybody. Mwah. Meeting.
So it's all